Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the MKP Captain. So, the Samsung Galaxy S11 renders reveal the center elegant punch hole and triple rear camera just a day after an early look at the renders of the Galaxy S11. Price Baba has joined it hands with popular tipstar One Leaks bring to you the first look, as you can see on your screen, at the most affordable offering in the lineup, the Galaxy S11e, the successor of the Samsung S10e, bring forth quite of a few changes and also seems to level up with its pricer sibling. With the launch of the S11 series less than 3 months away, the rumors mill has been working overtime to bring us all the detail about the Samsung next gen flagships, and with these renders we know now what the S11 will look like. The first thing that you will notice is that just like the Galaxy S11, the S11e will sport a center elegant punch hole to house the selfie camera. Unlike this year S10e that featured a flat display, Samsung will be offering a curved panel on the S11e, bringing it on pair with the S11 Dual. This is in line with previous reports and also means that there are barely any bezels around their sides, with slim bezels around the bottom. Per one leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S11 display will measure between 6.2 inches and 6.3 inches diagonally. Considering the S10e is also presented itself as a capability yet compact flagship, it seems that the South Korean brand wants to continue with the same proposition for its successor too. So coming to the sides, you will not find anything surprising or unusually. The bottom is home to the USB Type-C socket, a primary microphone and speaker grills, whereas the right spin house, the power switch and volume rocker. The left side is completely barren, while the top edge featuring a noise cancelling mic as expected. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack on the device. The Samsung Galaxy S11e rear also shows significant changes from its predecessor. Instead of a horizontal placed camera module, you will find vertically camera era, which is quite similar to the Galaxy M30s. The setup compromise of 3 sensor, which is upgrade over the dual camera system of the S10e, accompanied by an LED flash. Towards the middle, you will find the Samsung logo. As for the dimension are conquered, the device is said roughly measure 151.7 by 69.1mm. The S11e is a quite sleek too at 7.9mm torque, so it increased to 9.1mm if you include the camera bump. One thing that missing from the back panel is the fingerprint sensor, which was unavailable in the S10e. This makes us believe that S11e will also feature its ultrasonic fingerprint reader for authentication purpose. So coming up to the mode specification about the S11e, the rumors has said similar to the Galaxy S10e, the S11e will share quite a few features with the more expensive S11 and S11 Plus smartphone. These include the hardware under the hood, which expected to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or the brand in-house Exynos 990 chipset. Depending upon the region, the RAM capacity is bigger. This 6GB throck we might see high-end variant too. Depending upon the RAM version, the phone could offer 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.0 storage. Of course, it's safe to assume that you can pop up in micro SD card to extend this further. Rumors also suggest that the Galaxy S11e battery capacity will be higher than its previous iteration. To recall, the S10e come with a 3100 mAh battery, and its successor might house a cell as large as 4000 mAh. On the software side of things, we can expect the new One UI 2, which will be using Android 10 as the base. Well, we do not know the camera configuration of the S11e. It's unlikely that the affordable handset in the S11 range will feature the 108 megapixel camera. We can however expect the triple cameras to offer both capabilities, going wider with a wide angle lens and getting closer to the subject with a telephoto snapper. The Samsung Galaxy S11e launch is reportedly scheduled for February 18th. Considering that the company released its handset quickly after unveils, then we can expect the S11 series to go on sale as soon as March. So guys, are you waiting for the S11 lineup? Comment below which phone you most like, S11, 11e or 11 Plus. And if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe for more tech videos, enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.